Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a dotted lines drawing to your edits in the CapCut mobile. So in here, what you need to do is add the video or photo that you want to edit and go to text and swipe, click on draw, then in here, find the dotted lines drawing. You can use this one, or this one with an arrow. So I'm going to use, for example, this one here. You can adjust the size and also the opacity, and here I'm going to use it to outline the shoe in the photo like this. You can just draw it like this, and after that click on a check icon when you're done, and this will be the result. You can always add animations to the dotted lines. Here I'm going to click on animation loop, and I'm going to use the jiggle. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.